Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool washer or drain pump. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new drain pump. The drain pump removes the wastewater from the washing machine. The main reason to be changing it out is if the motor's gone bad and it's not draining, or the body is cracked and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to get to the part, we have to tilt the machine back. We're just going to tilt it far enough back so we can get underneath. Once you have it where you need it, you want to make sure it's supported. Now that we have the washing machine tilted up, we can reach up and take off the sound shield. You just have to carefully flex it and get it out. Once you have it out, you can pull it out and set it aside. Now that we have the sound shield off, we have access to the drain pump. It's mounted to the right side of the tub. Before we take the part off, we're going to put a towel down to catch any water that may come out as we're removing it. To get the drain pump out, we're going to lift open this cover so we can take the wire harness off. Once you have it open, there's a little locking tab on top. We can press down or release so we can pull the wires off. Once you have it free, we're going to take the wires out of the little holders and set the wire harness aside. Once you have the wire harness removed, we can use the 5/16 nut driver to remove the 3 screws that hold the drain pump to the tub. Once you have the screws out, you can pull the drain pump off of the tub. Then we can use our pliers to compress this clamp and move it up the hose. Once you have the internal drain hose off, you can pull the drain pump out of the washer. Here's the old drain pump next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the new drain pump in, you want to make sure you clean this surface up so you get a good seal when you push it in there. Once you have that cleaned up, we can put the internal drain hose back on. There's a little white line right here on the side of the hose that we're going to line up with the white tab on the drain pump. Just going to push it all the way on. Once you have it in place, we can grab our pliers and move the clamp up so we get a good seal. Once you have the clamp in place, we can lift the drain pump up and push it into the tub. Once you have it in place, you may have to hold it while we put in the first screw. We're going to use our 5/16 nut driver to put these back in. Once you have the pump mounted, we can open up the wiring harness cover. And we're going to grab the wiring harness and reroute it. So we just have to put it underneath the clips to hold it in place. Once you have it routed, we can lift the cover up and plug the wire harness back in. It can only go one way, so you want to make sure you plug it in and get a good connection. Once you have it in there, you can close the cover. Now that we have the drain pump installed, we can put the sound shield back in. We're just going to line it up and flex it and get it up on all 4 sides. Once you have it in place, we can set the washer back down on its feet. To put the washer back up on its feet, we're just going to carefully lift it up and set it down. Once you have the washer on its feet, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.